So right over here, guys, we have our bearded fig tree. Okay? This tree provides a lot of our history. Barbados was practically named after this tree. We once considered the land of the bearded ones or Los Barbados. Since we were discovered in the middle of nowhere, a flat land mass, and we were all flooded with these trees. Now this tree is a member of the ficus family. Its rooting system helps to hold our land mass together since we are a clay soil environment. A lot of the trees that we have inside of the flower forest play that role. Okay? When we experience heavy rainfall, you would have what is known as these are used for artistic purposes, creating table coasters.
Когда они нашли острые, только берет так
Здесь.
Это аватар, да, похоже? Может, они ночью тоже светят?
Наверное, но они не будут.
Okay, so we're going to have the bandana. This is the regular bandana. We have the variegated type as we venture along the garden. You're going to get to see the other species of bandana. Okay?
Если нормально.
Going all through the trees. This is our Jaguar Vine. The Jaguar Vine gives us a light blue flower.
Это уже слишком экстремально.
Долго?
Что это экстремальный путь?
Да. Мы спортсмены.
Через джунгли.
Мы любим. Я хочу обезьянку увидеть.
Да. Держи твою сумки.
Ты тоже сзади контролируй. Молодец. Ух ты. Вау, смотри, какой ствол.
Okay, guys, so here we have our noni tree. The noni, better known as the painkiller tree. Yeah, the painkiller tree is very good for alleviating pain. The noni tree, the fruit. The fruit is placed inside of a glass jar.
Зай, ты сюда все. Папа, базилик, что ли?
А, это не базилик.
Ой, так много вот этих мужского и женского счастья.
Да, я вам.
Здрасте.
Никто не знает.
А если там? Мы только начали. 45 минут. Спортсмен.
Это экстремально.
Okay, guys, so right over here we have our cocoa trees.
Ah.
Now these cocoa trees that we have here, these cocos are how we get our hot chocolate. The hot chocolate that you would get in the supermarket. Unfortunately, we don't have any of the pods because the green monkeys, they eat the pods all the time. They're not leaving any on display for us, okay guys? We have lots of green monkeys in the garden. In the background, they can see us, but we can't see them at this present moment. Sprays out, it leans over, the seeds hop out, eventually germinates. And that's how we continuously get these plants. Okay, guys?
Okay.
That's a small one though. The baobab trees, they get really gigantic. You can't even put your arms around them. They get really huge. The biggest one we have on the island is located in Queen's Park, St. Michael in the city. The second biggest one is located in Warren, St. Michael. There's also a tower named after the baobab tree called the Baobab Tower. It gives you a fruit. It is a sea view, guys. So feel free to get your photos. Take your memories with you to share with your family and friends. Okay, guys?
Okay.
So here you have the Atlantic Ocean.
I like the place.
Make sure you get your photos, guys. So you can see we've been to the flower forest.
Давай.
A lot of plants, a lot of... So you're not... So just like the hibiscus, guys, they use the hibiscus right above here. You're going to see a couple of hibiscus over there. You're going to recognize that they don't have the flowers on them, but they do have the buds. Okay, the tiny little buds are going to open and eventually become flowers. The reason why you're not seeing any flowers is because the monkeys will always eat the buds. So if you want to have a show, a display, you would spray our buds with water and gold petal flowers. Okay? This is our ylang-ylang tree, better known as the fragrance tree, used for cosmetics, creams and soaps and stuff like that. Over on your left and over on your right. These two big guys that are all covered with thorns, these are our sandbox trees. The sandbox trees, they don't give you a fruit, neither do they give you a flower. But the rooting system of these trees is what's practically holding this cliffside together, this lawn. All of these trees are playing that role. The trees that have the orange flowers, you're going to see a lot of them over by the gazebo where guests get married and so on. They're called African tulips. Fig trees. This actually used to be one ficus tree. We had some pretty bad weather around the hurricane season. Made a mess of this one. This one was a tiny little one. Its roots were all entangled onto this politician palm that stands before you. That's how it managed to collect its water.
Да, я думаю, Ане и Жан-Батисту было бы здесь интересно.
Да.
Очень красиво.
Он бы мог все импортировать.
Бизнесмен. Очень красиво.
These are our macaw palms. Now the macaw palms are pretty spiky right around the base. When the leaves fall to the ground, we have to have our construction gloves on to remove them, because the leaves are also covered with spikes as well. Take for example, these are the babies. These tiny little ones. Yeah. You don't want to get those thorns caught in the palm of your hands, because eventually they will become infected. Okay, guys? The artistic pieces in the center of the macaw palms resembles Dino's eggs. Dino the dinosaur that you saw on the entrance of the restaurant. Okay? A couple of anthuriums to add some color, and bromeliads that are spiky as well. So the monkeys aren't going to venture through this area, period, and destroy any of our flowers. Okay? This spectacular view here, just beyond the African tulips and the painkiller tree and the politician palms. Remember I mentioned to you earlier the trees with the orange, the big bright orange flowers? They are African tulips. That's the highest point on the island above sea level. That's Mount Hillaby. Since we don't have any mountain peaks and much hillsides, we're a flatland mass. That's Mount Hillaby. Okay, guys, this gazebo area with all the crazy tile design was done by Earthworks Pottery.
Не трогай. Когда мы будем на джунгли, я думаю, мы никогда не будем на джунгли. Зачем? Боже, такие цвета интересные, краски, яркие. Да, я ничего не трогаю. Много ядовитых сказали. Что?
You pass it around.
Не трогай, ты что?
А, нельзя трогать?
Не, не трогай, но если знаешь, как ее шить, ты можешь поручить.
Very, very good. Gives you an excellent tea.
Что это за
Очень хорошо
ароматизированное?
для чая. Если ты плохо спишь,
All of that stuff.
Какой запах.
Okay.
да.
Даже
Держи.
не знаю. Блин, я даже не
Давай.
знаю.
The beautification of our garden.
На
Medicinal purposes that we have. What is it called? Bailey.
Bailey.
Yeah, and it's a pretty strong tree as well. It's very, very hard.
Что это?
Это хорошо, когда болит голова.
А, да?
Похмелись?
Bailey. Very good, yeah. You put it in your grave boy. It is really on the inside of the shell ginger. When it opens up, you're gonna see some pretty bigger, much bigger ones over there. But as soon as it cracks open, that's the real beauty of the shell ginger. Kind of like that. See what it looks like on the inside?
Видишь, распускает.
Да.
Very, very beautiful, yeah. Sorry. Not much taller, but it's really a member of the palm family.
Банан.
The reason why they call them the
Нет, они
traveler's
похожи
palms
как бананы, но это
are
не бананы.
because they save the life of the lone traveler. They store a lot of water.
Окей.
They say you could get like a glass of water from each tree, but I would say you could get your bucket because usually when we have to clean them, you know, like we're getting out all of the dead leaves and so on, it's kind of like the tree's peeing on you. So it's like you're soaked from head to toe, water is caught all in your boots, your overalls, etc. It's crazy. So it's impossible to say that you're going to get a glass of water from that. And it has you soaked from head to toe. So it's like the tree's literally peeing on you as you're cleaning. And you know what also loves the traveler's palm? The centipedes as well. You have to keep your eyes out for the centipedes when you're cleaning. Because the centipedes love moisture. Okay, they love those damp areas.
Мадагаскарское дерево.
Да.
Ничего
Называется
себе.
африка.
Какие корни.
Well, forest is really like 38 years in existence of the botanical garden. Hundreds of years old in existence of plantation, and the trees were here before they even started.
показывал. Конечно, название я запомнила.